Have you ever felt uneasy, even disgusted when looking at tiny clusters of holes, like a honeycomb, lotus seed pod, or bubbles on a pancake? If yes, you might be experiencing something called the fear of holes, also known as trypophobia. But what exactly is it? And why do so many people online say they feel sick or anxious when they see these patterns? Stay with us because in this video, we'll explore the science, symptoms, and surprising reasons behind trypophobia and help you figure out if you might have it. What is trypophobia? The word trypophobia comes from trypa, meaning hole, and phobia, meaning fear. Even though it's not officially recognized as a medical disorder in the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, millions of people around the world report experiencing it. The fear of holes isn't usually about a single hole. Instead, it's triggered by clusters of small holes or bumps. For example, lotus seed pods, sponges, bubbles, certain skin patterns, even strawberries or pomegranates. For many, just seeing these things creates intense discomfort. What are the symptoms? People with trypophobia may experience a range of physical and emotional reactions. These can include goosebumps or shivers, itching or crawling sensations on the skin, nausea, increased heart rate, feeling anxious or panicked. Some people describe it as disgust rather than fear, but the effect is strong enough to make them avoid images or objects with hole patterns altogether. Why does it happen? Scientists are still debating the exact cause of the fear of holes, but there are a few leading theories. Evolutionary theory. Our ancestors may have developed this reaction as a survival mechanism. Clusters of holes can resemble dangerous things in nature, like venomous animals, poisonous plants, or even signs of disease on skin. The discomfort could be a built-in warning system. Association with illness. Hole patterns can remind some people of rashes, skin infections, or parasites, which naturally trigger disgust or fear. Visual processing theory. Some researchers suggest that these patterns are hard for our brains to process visually, leading to strain and discomfort. So while not everyone experiences trypophobia, for those who do, it feels very real. How common is it? Interestingly, studies suggest that up to 16% of people may have some level of trypophobia. That means almost 1 in 6 people experience the fear of holes in some form. You may have noticed social media challenges where people share trypophobia test images. These often go viral because so many people relate to the feeling of discomfort. How to cope with it. If you think you have trypophobia, here are a few ways people cope with it. Avoid triggers. Limit exposure to images or objects that set it off. Gradual exposure. Some people find that slowly exposing themselves to hole patterns in a safe way reduces the intensity of their reaction over time. Relaxation techniques. Breathing exercises, mindfulness, or grounding techniques can help ease anxiety when triggered. Professional help. If the fear of holes is disrupting your daily life, talking to a therapist can provide strategies to manage it. So do you have trypophobia, the fear of holes? Remember, you're not alone. Many people experience it, and while it might feel strange, it has real psychological and biological roots. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Remedy You for more insights into the mind and body. And let us know in the comments, do these images make you uncomfortable or not at all?